Hi friends, welcome to Freshers Code channel. If you are new to this channel, I suggest to watch my previous videos. The topic which I covered in my previous videos, what is .NET and what is C#. Whatever the topic I am going to cover, they're completely based on interview point of view. What is .NET Framework? Before we start .NET Framework, let's have a look on some of the components. What is .NET software content? This .NET software comes with two components, that is Visual Studio .NET and .NET Framework. Let's see what is Visual Studio .NET. The Visual Studio .NET is a .NET development environment that we can use to develop the applications. So what is .NET Framework? The .NET Framework is an important integral component in .NET software. It is used to run the environment which we can use to run .NET application. Simply we can say that is a .NET Framework is a runtime environment. Whatever the application which was developed by using Visual Studio .NET, that application we can run by using the .NET Framework. The difference between Visual Studio .NET and .NET Framework is one of the important interview point of question also. Let's see the Visual Studio .NET and .NET Framework. Visual Studio .NET, it is a development environment which we can use to develop application. .NET Framework is a runtime environment which we can use to run application. And Visual Studio .NET, it is required for only .NET developers. But when it comes to the .NET Framework, it is required for both .NET developers and .NET end user. End user nothing but whatever the application which was developed by using .NET, we can use by normal clients, customers like me and you. For example, if you are using a MS Word, if you are using MS Word, you are the end user. Who are developing the MS Word, we call as a developer. For that we require a .NET Framework. I hope you understand. And Visual Studio .NET is not a freeware. Developer has to purchase from the Microsoft website. But .NET Framework is a freeware. We can download from Microsoft website. These are the difference, and these are the very important interview point of questions too. These are the questions which I covered in this video series. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see what the next video is based on C# data types.